Wait and see.
Gemini Omni Flash just dropped, and it's sprinting past GPT-5.5 in the latency race that video editors actually care about. Imagine a tool that can scrub a 30-second clip in the blink of an eye, replacing your mouse clicks with a single line of intent. This is what Gemini Omni Flash delivers, a multimodal transformer that streams video tokens in real time, letting editors command cuts, transitions, and color grades with natural language. In contrast, GPT 5.5 still lags behind, taking several seconds per frame when fed the same prompt. That delay turns a simple cut-to-B scene into a frustrating pause in the workflow. OmniFlash's architecture uses a 64-layer encoder-decoder pipeline optimized for sub-second inference. On a single NVIDIA RTX 4090, a 10-second segment processes in under 1.2 seconds, while GPT 5.5 needs roughly 5.5 seconds for the same task. For a professional editor, that difference means the ability to iterate in real time. Instead of opening a render queue, you can say, apply a cinematic fade between scenes 3 and 4, and see the change within a frame. The API integrates natively into Adobe Premiere's scripting environment. A single call to OmniFlash trim with a JSON payload containing timestamps and intent text produces a ready-to-import XML sequence. We ran a side-by-side test, a 60-second documentary edit. OmniFlash auto-generated cuts and color corrections in 3.5 seconds, while GPT 5.5 required 12.1 seconds and additional manual tweaking. That's a 70% reduction in decision-to-output time. Beyond cutting, OmniFlash can tag scenes, detect audio cues, and suggest music placement with the same low latency, freeing editors to focus on creative choices. To get this speed in your own studio, you only need an API key and a 4090 or equivalent. The SDK supports Python and JavaScript, so a quick omni.flash.tram smooth transition is all you need to start. Full guide with code snippets, API call examples, and performance benchmarks is in the description. Try it out, measure your own latency, and see if the difference keeps your edits moving. If you're ready to cut the weight out of your workflow, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the tools that keep the creative clock ticking.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.